everyone. It is another chain of videos. Especially I just want to give you this concept. The success is a manufacturing sort of product. It is as tangible, as visible, as as realistic as any other manufacturer product in this world. Believe me, it needs to learn how can we manufacture it. Believe me, success is not dependent on fate, on luck, on any mystic forces as well. It is quite tangible. Believe me, it is the case of learning. How can we make our success? This is what I mean. Whatever you are going to make, we need a raw material. We need some sort of things so that we will be able to make that one, whatever we are. So it is, your own mind, what you want, what sort of, what type of, how much bigger and a smaller and the uniquest product you want to make. It is depending of your mental approach. But what I mean that in the raw material shape, you have a job, your occupation, your profession, your interest, your goal, your education, your experience. It is all a raw material which is provided by different sort of resources. But now you need to manufacture your product. Your job is not your success. Your occupation is not your success. Your education is not your success. Please try to understand this very important phenomenon. Believe me, the people are thinking this is my success. No, my dear friend, it is just a raw material on the basis of your job, your occupation, your profession, your experience, your education. You can build your outstanding sort of success like any other manufacturing product. But before starting, you need to learn how can you make your success, how can you get progress as well. Whatever you are going to do, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to create as well, you need to learn just two things. First, how to make it, and then just make it. So what I mean then, if you do not know how to make your success, for example, no problem, asked by the people or asked by the books as well, then you will be able to. This my video is very special video, and the chain of videos as well, because step by step I'm going to manufacture a product of your success. The viewers who are watching me, I'm sure that. But before starting, what I have shared with you people as well, our major handicaps or small shortcomings, which are the trivialities of our life as well. Here I would like to mention over here, being a professional person, about a survey shows that the 15% of your your personal unsatisfactory workmanship is concerned, or one's personality, when 85% is your personal qualities concerning and importance of your progress. This is on the basis of these statistics. I can say that if you have a lack of experience, if you are not very much competent in your working, it does not matter. What I mean, it is just 15% of the case of your product of success. When 85% is your personal dislike qualities. For example, you are not very much careful, you are not very much caring, you are not very much obedient, you have some personal dislike habits, which are the trivialities of your success, the way of your life as well. So please try to learn how can you observe your shortcomings, and then learn by methods as well how can you overcome them as well. Here, for example, we are focusing a lot that I can perform very well, I am a very good operator as well, I can do my work, I can perform my duties as well. This is just one thing. How should you perform your duties? It is the major part of your success. When you have occupation, when you have a job as well, it is the basic material to make your final product in the shape of your success. But you will have to decide what type of success you want to create, what type of success you want to manufacture as well. It is really a remarkable video to understand it. That has meant that success is a manufacturing product like any other product of this universe. Believe me, whatever the people are making, any sort of factories and industries, even in the fields as well, the production over there, for example, the farmers are sowing the seeds and then they're getting the annual the final crop as well. Similarly, you people are also sowing something. So what I mean that try to understand and differentiate the difference between the job, your education, your profession. These all are not the final products of your of your life. You are now getting to know about how can you manufacture a product, and I'm sure that by my sequence of these videos you will be able to manufacture your product like any manufacturing product in this universe. Thank you very much.